A drink.
Alright, this is Blizzardking135 doing his second cinnamon challenge because the first video failed because Dale Store is a dickhead.
Sorry.
Perfect comedy time.
This time he's going to do it straight out the pot like an hard one.
Yeah, he is.
Right.
And it's going to be.
I love you. I must be fucking mental.
I've seen it going. Oh!
He's got it all around his mouth.
Pop. Breathe through the nose. Breathe through the nose.
Do not.
He looks like a lemon cheesecake.
Open your mouth. Don't make him open his mouth.
Come on,
as
Dan.
soon as you open his mouth.
Dan, I fucked Breathe through the nose. Breathe through the nose, Dan. It's going.
He's doing well.
Dan, you're adopted. Open your mouth.
He's doing well.
Man. You need to concentrate.
He's doing well.
I want to suck a shit on your chest. Join it up.
Don't. Let's see if you can do it. Come on, man.
No way. This is the first time anyone's ever done the cinnamon challenge.
Oh my god.
Keep breathing through your nose.
Oh no!
His nose is running nearly. Don't think about it though.
He's fucking doing it.
No way, he's doing it.
Oh my god!
Oh my legend.
How much did you have? You better have.
He had the bottle.
Yeah, he had the right, I've not stopped it yet.
You had the whole bottle. Look, put it on camera.
Stop it and
Get it on camera.
You had absolutely tons.
Like, look, unscrew it. That's how much you had.
Oh, I need a piss now.
Like half of that.
Oh my god.
That was mental. Right.